Don't download ClickUp Enterprise Project Management Suite app before watching this. Before you download ClickUp Enterprise Project Management Suite, here's the truth: it's more than a task manager. Enterprise ClickUp provides portfolios, advanced reporting, and workflow automation, but most teams get this wrong by underestimating setup. Step 1. Organize projects and portfolios. ClickUp allows multiple workspaces, folders, and lists. Most people get this wrong by creating messy structures that confuse teams and delay delivery. Step 2. Set up automations. Automate notifications, approvals, and recurring tasks. The surprising truth is, poorly configured automations can slow workflows instead of boosting efficiency. Step 3. Integrate other tools. ClickUp works best when connected to Slack, email, CRM, and analytics platforms. Without integration, communication gaps and reporting issues arise. Step 4. Train your team. Adoption depends on understanding dashboards, automations, and reporting tools. Teams that skip training underutilize the platform and lose potential ROI. The upside: proper ClickUp Enterprise implementation can increase productivity by up to 40%, improve cross-team collaboration, and centralize reporting. So should you download it? Yes, but only if your organization can plan projects, configure automation strategically, and train users. For smaller teams, simpler ClickUp plans may be sufficient. Subscribe for practical guidance before investing in enterprise project management tools.